Hello, my name is Miss Grucelski, and I'm so thrilled to be teaching you this year. I made for you a video called The Top 5 Things to Know About Miss Grucelski. Normally, this is me doing this activity last year. Normally, we make name tents the first day, and we get to learn some information about each other. This year, we're doing videos, so let's get started. 5. There are 5 members of my family. So I have here my dad, his name is John. My brother, his name is Patrick. He's 3 years younger than me, and he just had his birthday. We have our dog Lizzie, who's super cute, and she's really scared. She's like, ooh. So she's a real cutie. My mom's name is Bonnie. And then here's me, and my first name is Kelly. And my family lives in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I go there a lot for holidays and in the summer to visit them. And hopefully I'll be seeing them again this year. And so this is my family. 4, this is my 4th year at Rams. So when we are back in the classroom, this is what our classroom looks like. I have flags from everybody's country on the ceiling. And then we have these nice tables and some new chairs. So I'm really excited to get back in the classroom. My classroom was under construction, so it's a little bit messy right now, but I will get it ready for us if and when it's time to come back to school. For 3, I have attended 3 colleges. We have Carleton College, University of Minnesota, and Hamlin. So first I went to Carleton College for 4 years, and I studied American Studies, so American history and education. Then I went to University of Minnesota for 2 years, and I got a master's degree in education and a teaching license in how to teach English as a second language. And then I went back to Hamlin University, and I wanted to get a reading teaching license, and I have half of my elementary teaching license. So I've been to 3 colleges, and if I add up all the years, that's 8 years of college. Wow. I do love to learn, so for me, that was fun. 2, I can speak 2 languages. I can speak English and Spanish. Puedo hablar en español. That means I can speak in Spanish. And I put a picture of me and my Guatemalan host mother. Her name is Letty. And we're making Guatemalan tamales together. So I've traveled to Guatemala 4 times in my life so far. I hope to go back again. And last year during distance learning, I took Zoom classes with my teacher from Guatemala, and I practiced my Spanish. So I'm hoping to continue to improve Spanish. All right, last one, and maybe most important. 1, I have 1 cute cat named Patches. Here's Patches. She's about 7 or 8 years old. We don't know when her birthday was because she was born in the wild. She was a feral cat, which means she was born outside. And when she got rescued, they clipped her ear. You can see that her ear's cut off to show that they had neutered her. So she can't have any kittens. But that's okay because she just loves life here with me. So things that she likes are waking up early, foot pets, so she likes it when I pet her with my foot, and knocking over glasses of water. Very naughty. Things she dislikes is being picked up, going to the vet, and plastic bags. So when I come home from shopping and I have plastic bags, if she hears them, she runs away and she gets really scared. So I have to be careful with my plastic bags and careful with my glasses of water. I can't tell you how many towels I've used cleaning up after her. So that's a little bit about me. I can't wait to get to know about you, and we'll be doing an activity kind of similar to this in the upcoming days. So again, my name is Ms. Grucelski. I'm so thrilled to be able to teach you this year, and I hope you have a great day.